data, then I will just select it from
Yeah, you will
the
select it from there. So indirect PO
new
number.
sheet one.
Yeah, we can go for sheet 1, and let's say I will select a little bit. What Amjad is asking, I am having a list of PO numbers, and if I utilize a particular number, then it should not appear in this drop down from that point onwards, right, Amjad?
Yes.
So for that list has to be changed automatically. Now this master sheet is having the list of all the POs. Okay.
Numbers, yes.
So I need to have a second list which should show me what all POs he has already utilized. Then only I can compare the two, and then I can maybe somehow give that remaining PO list.
Now, is there any possibility filter and count if something
It
like
is
that?
possible. Go to master sheet. Somewhere here, maintain one additional column. Okay, used something like that. Maybe just insert one blank column here.
Yeah.
And type title as used. Title as used. You can change it anything, but I am just saying. Okay,
Yes.
this column we are using used PO number. Okay, no need to mention PO number. That's fine. And here you can say yes. Why? Why is enough? Why is enough? That's enough. Okay. And maybe for the remaining ones, you can type not use, no, and. Now I will go to third sheet. I will create a blank sheet, let's say somewhere. Go to blank sheet. I will try to create a list of, I can use filter function if that works in your file. Equal filter. Just type filter. Yes, it is there. Very good. Open the bracket, or let me take the control and try to type it so that it becomes faster. I am requesting a control. Please accept.
I have approved it.
Okay, so I am in the filter function, and this is my overall list. I will select it from here. So I want to filter this list. These are too many. Let's have it up to, let's say, 1,000 lines. Okay. So out of these PO numbers, only give me whenever this column. Okay, this is there. So let's use that way, right? It's good that you have used the table. Okay. So I want to have a list of PO numbers when my used PO number is equal to no. And because it is a text, I will use double quotes before and after and press enter. So it only gives me, these are the remaining ones now. Okay. And now my only job is this based on that column. The drop down list here.
Data, then I will just select it from.
Yeah, you will select it from there. So indirect
new sheet one.
Yeah, we can go for sheet 1, and let's say I will select a little bit bigger range. Ignore blanks is already there. Hopefully that should reduce the list unnecessarily, and click OK. Very good. Okay, now let's test it. If let's say this is not yet used and I am typing n. Okay, I am coming back here.
Sir, n should be same.
N should be same. I don't think filter cares about that. 34, it is included
Because
now.
this is text.
No, it is in the filters and all. They don't care about the text case.
Okay.
If let's say I'm typing n here, capital, and this is small, and this is again capital. It doesn't care about that. Here you will see up from 31 things are coming. So all you need to do, Amjad, is maintain this status properly. This status will define this list. So you can say unused PO, and you can keep it toward the end because you don't need to work with it directly. It is just a list which is feeding our drop down list. And then I think your objective is achieved now.